If you want a quick and easy way to get a free VPN Chrome extension, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find a trusted free VPN extension in the Chrome Web Store, install it correctly, and set it up so you can start using it in just a few minutes. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so you choose the right extension and avoid installing the wrong one. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the menu, select Extensions, then choose Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official store where you can safely search for browser extensions. Now that the Chrome Web Store is open, go to the search box and type Free VPN, then press Enter. You'll see a list of VPN extensions appear on the screen. At this stage, take a moment to look through the results and choose a VPN extension that seems trustworthy. For this example, you can look for VPN, Free VPN for Chrome, or another VPN extension you trust. Click on the extension name to open its details page. On the extension page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click that button and then click Add Extension when the confirmation pop-up appears. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically. In some cases, this may take a little bit of time, so just wait a couple of minutes for the installation to finish properly. Once the extension is installed, the next step is to open it. Look at the top right corner of Chrome and click the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. From the list that appears, select your VPN extension. This will open the extension panel and let you begin the setup process. Now it's time to configure the VPN. Inside the extension, click Continue if that option appears, then click Start, and after that choose Continue with Free if the extension gives you a free plan option. Next, you'll usually be asked to select a server location. Pick the server you want to connect to, depending on the region or speed you need. After that, click the main button to connect the VPN. In most extensions, this is the button that turns the VPN on and starts securing your browser traffic. Once it's connected, your free VPN Chrome extension is ready to use. You can now browse with the added privacy and access features that the extension provides. Just remember that different VPN extensions may have slightly different screens, but the basic setup process is usually very similar. If you ever want to change servers, simply open the extension again and select a different location. And that's how you get a free VPN Chrome extension and set it up in Chrome. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.